Hola, 皆さんいらっしゃいませ。今は2番弁当が、日本語を勉強します。はい、皆さんありがとうございます。はい、よろしくお願いします。皆さん、はい、元気ですか？はい。よし、よし、皆さん、今は英語を話します。はい、皆さん、ありがとうございます。よし。Welcome everybody for another round of Japanese lessons. Going to cover another five verbs today. Hope you all having a good time. Don't want to waste too much time for all of you. Gonna try and make this like a little quickie here, as quick as possible. So, 皆さん、勉強しましょう。よし。All right, we're here on the Genki books, Genki one, page 149. A lot of verbs. We're gonna be switching over from u verbs to ru verbs after these two. So let us get started on the first word. Mitsu. Motsu. Motsu is to carry, as in to carry a bag, to hold a bag. カバンを持ちます。持ちます。Let's see here. 持つ。There it is. Go. 持つ。持つ。To carry, hold. Okay. 持つ。Alright. So, 持つ。持つ。Let's see here. That would be Mota. Mota night. Mota night. Oh. Mota night. Oh. Keep misspelling that. Mota night. Here we go. Mota night. Okay. Mota. Mota. And Motanakuta. Motanakuta. Oh. Kuta. There we go. Motanakuta. There we go. These are tenses. Okay. Next up is Yasumu. It has two separate meanings, one to be absent and one to rest. Two completely different meaning. Yasumu. Yasumu. To be absent. Rest. There we go. Yasumu. Okay. So Yasumu. Let's see. Yasumi. Yasumita. Let's see. Yasumite. Yasumitai. Yasumita nai. There we go. Yasumita nai. Okay, excellent. Yasumita. Yasumita. No. Yasumata. Yasumata. There we go. Yasumata. Okay. Because got to drop the U, the U with U verbs. And this is Yasumi. No. Yasumanakata. No. Yasumita nakata. Yasumita nakata. It's not giving me. Is Yasumi? Yasumi Nakata? Nakata? Yeah, Yasumi Nakata. Okay. That seems a little weird. Yasumi Tai. Yeah, it seems right. Yasumi Tai. Let me double check with Jisho. And make sure that I got this correct. There we go. Let me make sure. Yasumu. Oh. Yasumu. Let me just double check here my inflections. Did I get it right? No. It's okay. I got Yasumi Nakata correct and Yasumi Nai. My past tense is just Yasunda. Okay. So it's Yasunda. Yasunda. There we go. But I do have these correct. Yasumi Nakata and Yasumi Tai. Yasumi Nai. Sorry. It's supposed to be Yasumi Nai. I don't know why I'm saying Tai. Yasumi Nai. Here we go. Yasumi Nai. Yasumi Nai. There we go. Yasumi Nai. Okay. Now we're going to the new verbs. Akeru, to open. Akeru. Okay. Yeah, that's the right one. Because akeru and shimeru, which is to close, use similar kanji, but they have just a couple of just one different radical. It's very easy to get confused. To open. To open something. Okay. To open something. Akeru. Okay. Let's see. I believe akeru. So we dropped the entire. Let's see. When it comes to ru forms, let's go to the reminder here. Okay. We dropped the whole ru and replace it with nai. Just to remember. So this would be akenai. Okay. Akenai. Okay. Aketa. No. Akeda. No. Aketa. There we go. Doesn't have the yeah, it's just aketa. There we go. And akenakata. There we go. Kuta. Akenakuta. Nakuta. It's not giving me ta. Akena. Kuta. What was happening is that I keep spelling ne. It's na. When I'm supposed to be spelling na. Na. Okay. So next up is shimeru. Shimeru, which is to close. So you can see the difference in the radicals here between akeru and shimeru. The little shrine there, and this one has the O character on there. It's very that's the difference between the two. 閉める。閉める。I think they're all gone, Master Splinter. I think I ate them all. Let's see here. So, 閉めない。閉めない。Okay, 閉めない。閉めた。閉めた。And 閉めなかった。No. 閉めなくた。No. Uh-oh. Did I spell? 閉めなかった。It's giving me a completely different character. Kuta. Why does it give me a completely different character? Nah, you really want to make 400. Why, I don't understand why I'm getting a completely different character for Shime Nakata. Shouldn't it be? Yeah, see, I was right. Shime Nakata. So I don't know why it's not giving me the correct character. Arigato, Nyama-san. Irashaimase. Welcome, welcome. Over on the kick side. So, I am correct. It is Shime, not kata. But the stupid Microsoft Word is not giving me my character. Giving me the correct character here. So, I'll just have to copy paste this. There we go. That's a Microsoft Word issue. Okay. And our last word is oshieru, which is to teach, to instruct. Oshieru. Oshieru. There we go. To teach. To teach, instruct. Okay. Oshieru. Okay. Oshieru. Oshienai. 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 Oshieta. Oshieta. And oshienakata. There we go. Good. Good. Gave me the correct kanji. So there we go. Aguacate. No, wrong language. It's Spanish. No. All right. These are verbs for today. Here's this week's verbs. Motsu, to carry, hold. Motanai, mota, motanakuta. Yasumu, to be absent, to rest. Yosominai, yasunda, yosomi nakata. Akeru, to open. Akenai, aketa, and akanakuta. Shimeru, to close. Shimenai, shimeta, and shimenakata. And oshieru, to teach, instruct. Oshienai, oshieta, and oshienakata. There we go. Gomen. There we go. Alright. So there we go, minasan. Arigatou gozaimasu. Yosh. Minasan. That is our verbs. Thank you very much for joining me. Minasan. Minasan. 来週まで、お疲れ様でした。Good night. ごめんなさい。コメント、サブスクライブ、ライクをください。ごめんなさい。皆さん。来週まで、お疲れ様でした。Good night. Buenas noches. おやすみなさい。